Okay, we're gonna I got the screen recorder going. I've got the camera on the drone going. Everything says ready to go. The battery's 97%. And we're going to take a little flight around the bedroom here. Okay, we're going to land. And okay. Now we're landed. And I'm going to turn off the camera. Now I'm going to turn off the drone. Off. Then I'm going to turn off the controller. That's off. Now I'm going to unplug the tablet from the controller. Take it out of the thing, and now I'm going to turn off the DJI Go app. And now I'm going to, let's see, what am I going to do? Going to drag down from the top of the screen, and the AZ screen recorder is being recorded. Tap here to stop, and I stopped the AZ screen recorder, and from there you can go into your tablet storage and pull out your video and from the AZ screen recorder section and pull it out and use it the way you want, which I brought it into Adobe Premiere, and I'm finishing off here.